Today, we continue our discussion of solving inequalities. From quadratic inequality to polynomial inequality. We continue to use our shortcut, and we do not need to do an interval table. First, let us do a quadratic inequality. X plus 4 bracket 3x minus 5 bracket and larger than 0. As before, we use a number line. Before we use a number line, we need to find the X-intercepts, or you call roots of the function on the left-hand side. The roots are x equals -4, x equals 5/3. Now we draw the number line. Mark down the two roots, or mark down the two x-intercepts, -4, 5/3. Then we label the plus minus signs. Since the x squared term is positive in the expansion, so we start with positive on the right hand side. So it's positive, negative, positive. We want larger than 0, which means we want positive. So this is what I want. This is also what I want. So I have, for this part, is x less than -4. And for this part, it's x larger than 5/3. And they are connected by OR. So we have reviewed quadratic inequality, which was a topic in my last video. Now we continue to polynomial inequalities. So the polynomial I choose is x cubed minus x squared minus 34x minus 56 larger than or equal to 0. As before, we need to factor this. I'm not going to show you the details of factoring, but the result is x plus 2, x plus 4, x minus 7, larger than equal to 0. The x-intercepts are x equals 2, x equals -2, -4, +7. Do a number line, -4, -2, 7. Mark down plus and minus signs. Start with a plus sign on the right hand side because x cubed term is positive. So plus, minus, plus, minus. What do I want? I want larger than 0 or equal to 0. So this is what I want, and this is what I want. So it is the answer from -4 to -2. That's this interval. and you put x in between and just write. I put down equal sign because the given inequality contains equal sign. And for this interval, x is larger than 7, and there is an equal sign. Okay, let's have another example polynomial. Okay. X to the power of 4 minus 13x squared plus 36 less than or equal to 0. Again, I'm going to factor the left-hand side, and I'm not going to give you the details of it. So the result is x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 3, x plus 3, less than or equal to 0. All right, then the x-intercepts are 2, -2, 3, -3. So number line, -3, -2, 2, 3. The highest power term is positive. Start with positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. I want negative. I want this. I want this. So my answer is -3 to -2. X is in between. And this 2 from 2 to 3. X is in between. Do I have equal sign? Oh yes, I have equal sign. So that is my answer. So today we will stop here. In my next video, I will show you a slightly complicated function which has a square on one or more of the brackets. For example, in this example, suppose there is a 2 here, and there is a square, there is a cube here. So how do we solve this case? So that will be our next video. Thank you for watching.